Welcome to Delta's Zoom Whiteboard series. Today we'll dive into a key aspect of the Zoom Whiteboard, accessing your whiteboard library while being in an active Zoom call. The Zoom Whiteboard is a versatile digital tool that fosters collaboration, engagement, and active learning. It is an endless virtual space for all your whiteboard creations. These whiteboards can be accessed, edited, and shared at any time, even within a live Zoom session. For experienced Zoom users, navigating within a Zoom call is familiar territory. Upon initiating a new Zoom call, you'll notice a range of tools located at the bottom of your screen. Today, our focus will be on the whiteboard icon. Clicking this icon allows you to either add a new whiteboard or include an existing one in the call. Selecting Add Existing Whiteboard will prompt a window displaying your existing whiteboards. If you haven't created any, you'll need to start fresh. Choosing a whiteboard triggers a permission prompt. Opt for Collaboration to grant editing access to all participants within the call, or Presenting to limit editing privileges to viewing only. Additionally, you can decide whether participants retain access to the whiteboard after the meeting concludes. Adjusting this setting ensures control over post-meeting editing permissions. Returning to the in-call toolbar, let's explore some additional settings related to whiteboards. By clicking the small arrow next to the whiteboard icon, you'll reveal a menu with in-call settings. Here, you can toggle participant whiteboard sharing, define sharing permissions, and set parameters for initiating whiteboards within the meeting for participants. By toggling settings to host only or disabling participant sharing altogether, you can tailor the whiteboard experience to suit your session objectives. Consider your desired outcomes to determine which setting best aligns with your goal. The Zoom Whiteboard streamlines the management and utilization of digital whiteboard resources, even while within live Zoom sessions. For further insights and tutorials on enhancing your Zoom Whiteboard experience, check out the linked resources in the description box below.